Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to reset ITEL A56 Pro. So the customer forget his password. So we try and wrong pin. So I'm going to show you how to reset, and also at the part 2 show you how to do the FRP of A56. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell so that you can get our videos when we upload them. Thanks to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always being with us. We will continue to give you more videos that will help you in your work. Now let's dive into this tutorial. So let's switch this one off. Yes, let's switch it off. So it's done. So the next thing is just for you to remove the SIM card. Yes, let's remove the SIM card. So let's remove the SIM card. Good. So the phone is ready now. So all you just need to do, you need this power button, the up volume and the down volume. You press them at the same time. So these two. So make sure you use the backpack. Make sure the backpack is available. So press this up button and the down at the same time. So let's do it. So you see it now. It's factory resetting. Oh, let's just wait for it. So it might take some time to reset. Alright, so started boost up. Okay, let's give it some time as we refresh the phone to as new from the very day they bought it. So if you have not hit on the subscribe button, please do well to hit on the subscribe button so that you can get our new videos as we continue to drop more videos and tips that can help you in your work. It's still loading. It will take some little time. Please also do well to drop your comment at the comment section if it really work for you, or if you have any recommendation of any work you want us to upload, videos you want us to upload, please drop it on the comment section. Then we'll make a video available for you. Please also share this video to other technicians. So this is it. So it has come up. So it's as new at the very day they bought it. So just for we now to start the process. Now to start it as new, let's see. Yes, let's see. You're requiring FRP, and this is what we're going to see in the part 2 of this video. Yes. Part 2. Also connect to Wi-Fi. So let's search for available Wi-Fi. Yes, there's a Wi-Fi available. So thank you, Pastor, to pause this video. Alright, so it's connected. So let's see. Like I said, you require FRP because the user do not remember the Google password. It can be easy to just start on this phone without FRP, passing the process. But for now, so just wait, take a little time to check for updates on this phone. So here it is. So click on don't copy. Just wait a few seconds. Great. So the reason why we set this phone, flash this phone, is because the user forget his pin, and which you cannot remember. And without this pin, you cannot pass through this place. And even the goggle, he also forgot the password. So we must do the FRP of this phone, and this is what we will show you in the part 2 of this video. So guys, stay tuned as we show you the FRP on part 2. Hit on the subscriber button so that you can be able to see the part 2 of this video.